Hello, how's it everybody? My name is Cash and welcome to my channel MaKe Crafting Workshop. Today I will be showing you some small stuff made with epoxy resin, and today is my official video that you will be seeing me. In the previous videos you've seen only that I was working with the stuff. So let's get started. Okay guys, we'll be using a shallow cast, or you can say even a arc resin, right? Always try to use 2:1 ratio, because 2:1 ratio you will never go wrong with the calculation and the measurements. Okay, so let's make some resin. Okay guys, our resins with glitters and colors are ready to pour now. Okay, now we're going to use a blowtorch to remove the air bubbles. You can even use ethanol to remove it, but blowtorch is the best to use it. It's easy and convenient. You can just get any small blowtorch from anywhere. Okay guys, we are back here. Here is our BoOkMaRk, the one we molded yesterday. Let's remove it and see how it comes. Guys, look at this. Thank you for watching guys. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get our latest videos.